Hey, I'm Ben Seymour of Kazoo Productions. Got another instrument to show you here, and this is a tenor ukulele that I built, and this one's made out of dogwood. This is spalted dogwood, and that particular dogwood was a dogwood that died and fell over in my wife's folks' backyard. So I salvaged some of it and made this ukulele from it. The top is made out of quarter sawn redwood. And anyhow, but I thought I'd bring you a little tune so you can hear what this sounds like. And I'll do a couple of verses of an old tune here. This is called New York Girls. I went down to New York town, a fair maid I did meet. I took her back to see my play. She lived on Bleecker Street, and away Santy, my dear Annie. Oh, my New York girls, can't you dance the polka? She took me down to Bleecker Street. She lived at 44. Her mother and her sister were standing in the door. And away Santy, my dear Annie. Oh, you New York girls, can't you dance the polka? And it goes on for lots of other verses and gets more naughty as it goes.